So we're going to change the headlight bulb on a 2008 Toyota Highlander. Let's get right into it. So the nice thing about the bulbs on these cars is it's only got one bulb. So it doesn't have a separate low beam and high beam. It's all just one bulb. So it's going to be a pretty straightforward procedure. You're going to need the 9003 or H4 bulbs for this. Now, we have one bulb out right now, and usually it's recommended to replace both when one goes out, but you're able to buy them individually. So what I would do is I just go buy the 2-pack. Once your other one goes out, then you can replace it, just so you can get more longevity out of the one that's still working. So we're going to go ahead and get right into this. So the one that's out is on the driver's side, so we're going to go ahead and unplug this electrical plug right here, because we're going to have to get this rubber boot off. This rubber boot right here. I'm going to pull it out, these tabs. Just like that. I'm going to push that back in so it looks like this, because that's how it's going to be reinstalled. Next, you're going to find the little metal tab right here. You're going to push it in and then lift up and then let it swing out. And that bulb's going to come right out. Now, there is tabs that align these. So there's 3 tabs that align it in the socket. So now coming in with the new bulb, you don't want to touch the actual glass part of the bulb if you can. But you want to get these tabs lined up with the socket inside here. And if I remember right, so that bulb's going to go in there just like this. So this larger tab by itself, that one's going to be on the top. And then these 2 on the bottom, they're going to be facing down. So we're going to get that lined up. Get it in there. Take that metal keeper bar, whatever you want to call it. Get that swung back over, locked in. Push it in. Push down. And it's going to lock that bulb in place. Next, you want to take that weather grommet and you want to push the circle. You want to push the circle around that bulb housing as best you can, just to get this thing seated back on here properly. Just push around the bulb and take your electrical plug, and it's a 3-prong. So you've got the prong on the top, prong on the side, and then the prong on the other side. That's not a prong, that's just, it might look like one, but it's not. You're going to slide that back on. We're going to go start the car. Alright, so we've got the low beams on right now. We're going to go ahead and check, make sure the high beams work. So that's always a good test to do whenever you're replacing bulbs like these, especially when the low beam and high beam is integrated into one bulb. You always want to make sure you check, make sure your high beams and your low beams work. But that'll do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. I hope you consider subscribing. We'll see you on the next one.